Hello and welcome to the video. So October the 13th was a monumental day for us vegans. Yes, that's right, McDonald's finally released the McPlant burger. They said online that the McPlant burger would be stocked at 250 stores, so we quickly jumped online and checked out the nearest one to us, which was Newcastle under Lyme. About an hour and a half journey away, but as I say, we are burger enthusiasts, so we thought it was more than worth the journey. So the next day, we jumped in our car, and about 5 minutes away from McDonald's, this happened. So just on our way to get the new McDonald's plant burger. It's like an hour and a half from our house and our brakes have gone, so will we get it?
Will we get it? That is the question.
However, being responsible adults, we do have breakdown cover, so within a couple of hours we were being picked up by a tow truck driver, driven to the nearest garage, and we're back optimistically on our way to McDonald's. So then we finally made it to the Golden Arches. About 7 hours after we'd set off home, we headed inside and quickly ordered the McPlant burger, but to our dismay, they didn't have it in stock. We even spoke to the staff and they said the McPlant burger had never been in stock, so Ronald had well and truly lied to us. So we headed off home feeling tired, betrayed, and most importantly, hungry. However then, I quickly had an epiphany. What if we made our own McPlant burger? So we stopped off at the supermarket, got our ingredients, and here we have it. How to make your very own McPlant burger. So if you're interested in trying the new McPlant burger, how about you cut out the lion clown and make it yourself at home? So drop the video a like, and I'll see you in the kitchen. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. So I think the first thing you think of when you think of McDonald's is that special sauce that you can't seem to replicate at home. Well, thanks to Mr. Google, you can. So today we're going to be making McDonald's secret sauce. So I'll put the ingredients on the screen now. All you're going to need is those ingredients, a bowl, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon. So we're going to put them all together and mix them up. So we're going to start with 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 tablespoon of relish, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay, now we're going to mix it all up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. A little taste test. Tastes like McDonald's. Wow. So now we've got the special sauce ready, it's time to prep the salad. Okay, for the salad we're going to need 1 beef tomato, 1 onion, iceberg lettuce, and the thing we all love to hate, gherkins. So McDonald's lettuce is always really well diced, so even though this lettuce is already kind of diced, I'm going to dice it up a little bit more. Then going to finely dice the onion as well. So I feel like McDonald's burgers have like 1 thin slice of tomato, so that's what we're going to try and do with this guy. The dreaded gherkin. I don't actually like gherkins, but we're trying to be as realistic with this burger as possible, so I'm going to slice one up and pop it in. I mean, it's not a real McDonald's burger if you don't pick out the gherkins, is it? Ugh. So now we're ready to make our burgers. We're gonna need some sesame seed buns. We have these ones from Sheldon. Be careful when looking for sesame seed buns because a lot of them we did have milk and eggs, so these are the ones we could find without. As well as that, you're gonna need some cheese. We've got some Applewoods. Third and finally, you're gonna need your burger patties. Now the McDonald's one is a Beyond Meat burger, which I have had before and they're absolutely delicious. But if you heard my story previously, we had a bit of a nightmare yesterday and we couldn't find any Beyond Meat burgers. So we ended up getting Moving Mountain burgers, which are also delicious. These are actually the ones that they use at Tim Hortons. So I've pretty much tried all the vegan burgers and I can say without doubt, the 3 best are the Beyond Meat burger, the Impossible burger, and the Moving Mountains burger. So any of those 3 will be good, but the one that McDonald's does use is the Beyond Meat burger. Okay, so I guess now it's time to cook up the burger. Okay, so we're gonna heat up the pan with some oil. We use light fry 1 spray, put the burger patty in, and it takes about 6 minutes to cook. For the last minute, I'm gonna put on the burger patties just to crisp them up a little bit. Let the cheese melt on top. OMG, we're ready to construct this thing. Okay, so we're gonna make it exactly how they make it at McDonald's. Bun on the bottom, and they have the burger and cheese on top. Then they have a slice of tomato, some of the lettuce, some of the onion, some gherkins, the special sauce, and ketchup. And oh my God, that legit looks like a McDonald's advert. Okay, I'm gonna get tidied up and I'm gonna eat this bad boy in the other room. Ooh, so here we have it, the McPete burger. It looked a lot better when I first made it, and then I've been messing around for about 45 minutes trying to get a good thumbnail, and it's kind of formed to pieces, but excited to try this. Super easy to make as always. I'll put all the ingredients and instructions in the details below in case you do want to try this out yourself. We set off yesterday at 10 a.m. It is now almost 1 p.m. the next day, so it's been well over 24 hours since we wanted this burger. Let's see if it is all worth it. That is amazing. The sauce tastes just like McDonald's. The way the cheese is melted onto the burger. I can't taste any of the gherkins, which is a plus. Ooh, oh my God. That is so, so good. Oh, it was worth it, 100%. Wow. That was honestly like everything I could have wished for. I just want to make one thing apparent if you are considering making these burgers at home, like those Moving Mountain burgers, the Beyond Meat burgers, and the Impossible burgers, the burgers that you are now getting at these fast food restaurants, usually 2 for £5, which means they're £2.50 a burger before you even buy the cheese, the bun, all the salad dressings, etc., which actually means they cost about the same to buy in McDonald's or in any fast food restaurant as they do to make at home. So that is something to bear in mind. Super simple, super easy, just how I like it in the kitchen. I could definitely eat another one, but we only got 2 and I am saving the other one for Loretta when she gets home from work. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Drop the video a like if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What's up, Instagram? I just wanted to message on here, say we have made it home safe and soundly. I had a few people message saying they're worried about us. But yeah, we've had the car fixed, we made it home. We went to 2 different McDonald's and we're still not able to get the McPlant. They didn't even have them in stores. A good 7-hour round trip, but yeah, we made it home safe and sound.